Hey guys, I'm Christy Sullivan, and on Diet Doctor Explorers, we're going to talk about multi-cooking appliances or multi-function appliances, like appliances that just do everything. Okay, so when I was growing up, we had a slow cooker in the house. Like that's all it did was slow cooking. And we love slow cooking because you can put in less expensive cuts of meat and they're tender because you let them roast kind of low and slow, 6 to 8 hours, or even on high for 4 to 6 hours. Roasts, soups, all kinds of things that you can do with a slow cooker. Well, the next generation, these guys do everything. So this is a name brand Instant Pot, and people have it's like a cult following of Instant Pot. And these things are pressure cookers and slow cookers. There's also a saute function, and you can make yogurt. Most recently, I used the Diet Doctor recipe to make dairy-free yogurt with coconut cream. It was delicious, and I used this little gadget to do it. Now, this guy is very similar. This is a Ninja Foodie. It's very similar to this guy, except it has, not only is it a pressure cooker, you can saute and you can do yogurt and things like that, but you can also use it as an air fryer. And so there's a little basket and you can put things in here, and what it does as an air fryer is it crisps things up. Jalapeno poppers are amazing in this. Reheat any of our Diet Doctor pizza recipes and the crust stays crisp. In the Instant Pot, and in this one that act as a pressure cooker, it's similar to the slow cooker in that you can put less expensive cuts of meat and get a tender meal from it. But also you can take meats from the freezer to the Instant Pot, use the high pressure cooking, and you've got a meal in 20 to 30 minutes. Now I have a recipe, orange braised pork. You can learn how to use the Instant Pot to make that. Another thing that you can make in the Instant Pot is cheesecake. Guys, if you haven't made a cheesecake in the Instant Pot, you haven't had the best cheesecake in the world. I have a recipe on Diet Doctor. It's the coconut almond cheesecake with ganache. It is absolutely amazing. When you put them in the Instant Pot, remember you're cooking under pressure, and so it's tender and creamy and moist, and it just beats anything I've ever had from a traditional oven, even with a water bath. So whether you're slow cooking, which you can do in any of these appliances, which is a low and slow moist heat that makes meals tender and it doesn't have to be babysat, or you've got to do dinner in a hurry and you need the pressure cooker function with frozen meat to the table in 20 to 25 minutes, or you're using your air fryer for fast, crispy, delicious fried foods, these multifunction cookers can become your best friend. They literally do almost anything except wash the dishes. It can be really confusing. So at Diet Doctor, we've put together a guide full of slow cooker recipes and Instant Pot recipes, including that delicious cheesecake I mentioned earlier. So go to the guide, learn about the different cooking methods, and see some of our favorite recipes that you can use with these appliances.